Good morning, all of you. Welcome to GK class. And today's topic for GK is negative roles. It's a field from entertainment. These Bollywood actors played the role of villains, and you have to name them from the given clue box. The first picture you can see is from the movie Ravan, and the role of the villain was played by actor Arjun Rampal. He is Arjun Rampal, who played the role of a villain in the movie Ravan. The next movie is Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again, and the villain was Akshay Kumar. He is Akshay Kumar, who played the role of villain in the movie Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again. In the movie Kill Dil, the movie, he was the villain. Who is he? He is Govinda. In the movie Krish 3, the role of the villain was played by Vivek Oberoi. In the movie Sahab Bibi or Gangster Return, the villain was Randeep Hooda. In the movie Aurangzeb, the role of the villain was played by Arjun Kapoor. Then in Dhoom 3, the role of the villain was played by Aamir Khan. And the last one is in the movie Ek Villain, the role of the villain was played by Ritesh Deshmukh. Now come to the next chapter, that is also from the topic Movie Masti, again from the field of entertainment. Movies are the lifeline of entertainment world, and some famous movie scenes here are shown here, and you have to pick the correct movie name from the given clue box. The first scene is from the movie Amazing Spider-Man 2. It's Amazing Spider-Man 2. Then the next movie is NOAH, No. It's No. Third one is Godzilla. Then fourth one is Captain America. Captain America, the Winter Soldier. Then next movie is Dawn of the Planet of Apes. Dawn of the Planet of Apes. Then next movie is The Legend of Hercules. The Legend of Hercules. Next movie is Haunted House. This is a haunted house. Then the last movie is Guardians of the Galaxy Marvel. The name of the movie is Guardian of the Galaxy Marvels. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is the quiz round. The first question is, Michael Phelps, the greatest Olympian of all the time with most medals, belongs to which country? The right answer is USA. Next question is, the 2014 Asian Games took place in which country? South Korea. Third question is, Abhinav Bindra won a gold medal in 2014 Glasgow Commonwealth Games in which category of the game, that is shooting. This country who won the ICC T20 Cricket World Cup 2014 is India. The 5 times world champion female boxer is, the right answer is Mary Kom. Then, in the year 2014, Maria Sharapova defeated which player in the French Open finals? The right answer is Simona Halep. 7th question is, which Indian ace shuttler won the 2012 Thailand Open Grand Prix gold title in Bangkok? The right answer is Saina Nehwal. Which Indian Miss World 2013 Megan Young belongs to? She belongs to Philippines. 9th question is, which Indian choreographer is known as India's Michael Jackson? He is Prabhu Deva. And the last question is, what sport is rugby associated with? It's associated with football. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is life skill. Chorus is a task that you do your work at home regularly, and at home everyone helps each other with the chorus, and helping each other makes any work easier. So here you can see some of the household chorus that is done by some of the characters given in the pictures, and now you have to identify what kind of work is going on here, and you have to fill it in this cross-one grid that is given in your book. The first one is, let's see the first one, what is happening here? It is cooking, or we can say making, cooking and making. This is cooking and making. So here you will be filling cooking in this grid and making in this grid. Next is, here you can see what is happening. Cleaning is going on. So here you will be filling cleaning or a cleans. Here you will be writing washes. Then mopping. You can see mopping is going on, so you will be writing mops here. Serving of the food, you can see serving of the food is going on, so you will be writing here serves in this grid. And see the last picture. The lady is mopping on the floor, brooming on the floor, so we will write here brooms. So these were the some of the household chorus that you daily do at your home. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.